Justin Moon for Highland Woodworking. In this video, we'll take a tour of the Oneway Wolverine Grinding Jig. This is the fastest way to grind your lathe tools so you can get back to turning on the lathe. The bases are made from high-grade, thick-walled aluminum, and the heavy-duty jigs are all steel construction. Adjustments are easily made via the fast-acting lever-action cam clamps on the two base units that firmly secure the bar of the V-arm and platform jig. The tilting platform tool rest is generously sized at 5 inches by 3 inches and provides ample bearing support for your tools. The large quick ratchet locking lever lets you easily lock and unlock your angle adjustments. The Wolverine jig provides an ultra-fast and consistent grind to the cutting edges of your turning tools like roughing gouges, scrapers, and skew chisels. The optional accessory Varigrind jig works in conjunction with the V-arm for easily making the swept-back fingernail grind used on bowl gouges. You must elevate your grinder slightly above the mounting platform or base. Detailed instructions on how to mount the bases below the grinder are included. A couple of closing thoughts on the Oneway Wolverine Grinding Jig. This is going to all come down to setup for you, and that's going to vary based on the type of grinder that you have. I have an 8-inch grinder, which sets up a little higher than some other grinders might. I had to modify the grinder to let everything set up the way that it should. I ended up having to remove the dust ejection ports from the wheel shrouds on this, and in contrast to what the directions say, I ended up having to raise the bases of the jig itself rather than the grinder, just because of the dimensions of my grinder. So take your time, look over the detailed instructions that are included on how to mount the bases so that you get the most out of this tool. And this and other great sharpening tools are available at highlandwoodworking.com.